What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all have an awesome day today. Out here in Oklahoma, we got our first snow. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's snowing out here, and we actually got workers working on the house this morning, but they're all inside. So we got a little heater, some lights and stuff in there. I'll walk in there and show you all what's going on, and I'll show you a little bit of the snow first. Some big flakes. Some big flakes. Look at that. This is awesome. Jesse is way out there in the other shelter. He's not hanging out in this little one. He's up in the big one over there. He's never seen snow. These sheep never seen snow. It didn't snow really last year at all. So let's see, there's some big flakes. This is awesome. We got to take the girls to school here in a minute. I'm actually off today for Veterans Day. But let's see if Jesse's got any food. Oh, yeah, he's got a little bit. Let's walk over here and look at Jesse. Jesse's been doing good. He's been solo for a few days now. We're going to get the hogs back and on this Friday, the hog meat. So he won't be too lonely though. He's just hanging out over there. Yeah, when I get all that meat back, I'll try to make a video for you all about everything that I get back. We have a big trip coming up, me and Hayden. We're gonna go visit a YouTube star. I mean, this guy is the cat's meow. Wait till you guys see who we're going, whose house we're going to. It's gonna be fun, gonna be a good time. They've actually invited us down to do a little rifle hunting here in Oklahoma. It'd be cool if it snowed Saturday opening morning, and Hayden got her a nice big buck. Let's check out Jesse over here. Jesse, what you doing? Staying dry? Huh? You staying dry? There's the sheep over there. It is coming down big time. Might have to go get the girls from school here in a little bit after we drop them off. Because here in Oklahoma, whenever there's about 1/10 of an inch of rain on the ground or 1/10 of an inch of snow on the ground, people just forget how to drive. And there's wrecks everywhere. It's crazy. So you gotta be careful when you're driving this stuff. Probably, if I had to go to Walmart today, I'm guaranteed there wouldn't be any bread or milk for sure. Oh, it's snow. This is awesome. Let's see here. Okay. They are going to start laying the rock for the fireplace. They just now got here. I have to actually go to town, like I said, take the girls to school. But I will be back and I'll show you the progress that they have got when we get back. It should be awesome. Okay, so they got all of the fireplace done. I'm going to go in there and show you guys the finished product, but I'm also going to show you, I filmed a bunch of it. They let me film about whatever I want, the whole thing. So I do have like a lot of footage of the actual build itself. So if you guys are interested in seeing how a fireplace, brick or rock goes up in front of the insert and all that, stay tuned. You guys can check out the rest of the video on that. And if you guys like it, smash that like button. And hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hope you guys like the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'll probably be playing a lot of music over this because we have a big heater in here and it is super loud. So we'll probably get out here so you guys can see and hear a little bit better. So you can see the finished product looks awesome. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys the rest of it as they're building it. Like I said in there, I'm probably going to play a lot of music over it because it's super loud with that heater on, and you need a heater on in there because it's cold. We're in Oklahoma. We got our first snow today, you can see in the background. And I think earlier I showed you guys Jesse and all that. Jesse's still laid up over there in the lean-to, just enjoying the nice Oklahoma weather. So winter is probably officially here. We got the first snowfall. It might still be technically fall, but it's really close to winter if not. But yeah, just checking out all, most of it's all melted already. Got Gabby back there playing. Right guys, stay tuned. I'll show you guys them building the wall up, and I'll probably make a separate video on just the hearth itself, or the hearth, whatever you call it, of them building that, because this video is going to be super long as it is. So I'll probably do another video just on that. So enjoy the video.
Un saludo para Chicharrín. Mándele saludos hacia arriba, que le valga madre, mándele. Fíjate, entonces estamos mandando. Okay, no. You just point here. Güey, ¿qué se necesita para hacer una chimenea de piedra?
¿De piedra o de Madrid?
De piedra primero.
Primero hay que premiar la casa.
Ah, ok.
Después vamos a tener que poner chirrón. Ya después agarra la piedra.
Hey. Así. Y luego se pone la piedra. Y a empujarle, chingado.
Este se llama nivel.
Oh, ¿ese es el nivel?
Está poquito rudo, pero no quedó.
Ah, joder, no, pero ahí nace. Órale, fierro.
Después lo pones, pegas y ya está.
Ok.
Se le viene la cámara, güey.
¿Ya?
Just kind of do it. What do you think?
It's looking good, my friend.
You supervising or what are you doing?
Yes. Make sure everything is straight.
You holding that counter? You're holding the counter up, ain't you?
Yes.
Make sure this counter don't go nowhere.
Stay there. Stay there. That's it.
Nothing to it, huh?
It's okay.
Easy.
Pillo. ¿Estás en cámara, güey? ¿Estás en cámara de vuelta, vato? Otra vez, güey. Güey. Te la van a pelar un lucerito así, güey. Ahí está. Voltea, güey. ¡Ey! ¡Calla! Diga cómo se olea, de una explicación, güey. Hey, my friend. Hey. Look at my hat.
You need to
See
get
my
out of
hat?
here. Yeah.
All right.
Had y'all win Saturday?
Nah, we don't want to win.
I knew there was something.
We don't want to win.
I knew there was something off with him. Look at that hat.
It's beautiful. Huh? Beautiful hat. This is the game. It was tough, huh?
You should have won.
Yeah, but they missed
Yeah.
the ball,
Yeah.
and then I mean, you can make it even if he wants to.